Look around you. How many objects can you name in English? Let's learn 50 together. Table. Table. The book is on the table. Chair. Chair. She sat on the wooden chair. Pen. Pen. I wrote my name with a blue pen. Phone. Phone. He called his friend on the phone. Book. Book. This book is very interesting. Cup. Cup. She drank coffee from her favorite cup. Bag. Bag. My bag is full of snacks. Key. Key. I lost my house key this morning. Bottle. Bottle. The bottle is made of glass. Watch. Watch. He looked at his watch to check the time. Laptop. Laptop. I use my laptop for studying. Pillow. Pillow. She put her head on a soft pillow. Door. Door. Please close the door when you leave. Window. Window. The window is open because it's hot. Shirt. Shirt. He bought a new white shirt. Shoes. Shoes. Her shoes are under the bed. Spoon. Spoon. He ate the soup with a spoon. Fork. Fork. Please pass me a fork. Plate. Plate. The plate is full of food. Glass. Glass. I poured water into the glass. Lamp. Lamp. The lamp gives a warm light. Bed. Bed. I'm going to bed early tonight. Clock. Clock. The clock on the wall is broken. Wallet. Wallet. My wallet is in my pocket. Brush. Brush. She brushes her hair every morning. Mirror. Mirror. He looked at himself in the mirror. Comb. Comb. I can't find my comb. Towel. Towel. The towel is hanging in the bathroom. Soap. Soap. I washed my hands with soap. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Don't forget to pack your toothbrush. Blanket. Blanket. It's cold, so I need a blanket. Candle. Candle. The candle smells like vanilla. Fan. Fan. The fan keeps the room cool. Television. Television. We watch the news on television. Remote. Remote. I can't find the TV remote. Necklace. Necklace. Her necklace shines beautifully in the light. Ring. Ring. She wears a gold ring on her finger. Hat. Hat. His hat flew away in the wind. Ball. Ball. The children are playing with a ball. Pencil. Pencil. I drew a picture with a pencil. Envelope. Envelope. He put the letter in an envelope. Scissors. Scissors. Don't run with scissors. Newspaper. Newspaper. He reads the newspaper every morning. Camera. Camera. I took a photo with my camera. Backpack. Backpack. My backpack is very heavy today. Coin. Coin. I found a coin on the ground. Ticket. Ticket. I bought a ticket for the concert. Umbrella. Umbrella. Take an umbrella. It might rain. Doorbell. Doorbell. The doorbell rang twice. Carpet. Carpet. The carpet is soft and clean. Awesome! You've finished the English Basics series. Now you're ready for the next step, the main learning hub.